There's too much rain in Chinatown, I think I'll leave today. Too much rain in Chinatown, how am I gonna stay? Too much rain in Chinatown, a foggy afternoon. Too much rain in Chinatown, I think I'm leaving soon. People are standing all around, they don't know what to do. People are standing all around, they're all feeling blue. People are standing all around, still trying to look pretty. But what am I supposed to do in this godforsaken city? There's too much rain in Chinatown. It's too much rain in Chinatown, I think I'll leave today. Too much rain in Chinatown, why am I gonna stay? Too much rain in Chinatown, I think I'll take the bus. Too much rain in Chinatown, leaving here's a must. There's too much rain in Chinatown. Too much rain in Chinatown, my feet are getting cold. Too much rain in Chinatown, it's really getting old. Too much rain in Chinatown, the clouds won't break today. Too much rain in Chinatown, so I guess I'll be on my way. People are standing all around, don't know what to do. People are standing all around, they don't know the blue. People are standing all around, still trying to look pretty. What am I supposed to do in this godforsaken city? There's too much rain in Chinatown. Too much rain in Chinatown, I'm packing up my things. Too much rain in somewhere, the Pope would always sing. There's too much rain in Chinatown, and soon I'll be gone. Too much rain in Chinatown, I won't be back for long.